Supreme Court Judge Justice Jackton Ojwang will appear before the Justice Alnashir Vishram-led tribunal to defend himself against accusations that he says have no basis.
Justice Ojwang, who was suspended last evening after President Uhuru Kenyatta gazetted the tribunal to investigate him, says he is ready to face his accusers. And as Ken Mijungu reports, he will be the second Supreme Court justice to face a tribunal.
Justice Jackton Ojwang says he is ready to be dragged through the mud if this would help clean his image at the end of the often murky exercise. He says he wants the probe held in public and he will be physically present alongside his lawyers. The Judicial Service Commission recommended that the president sets up a tribunal after he failed to appear before them to respond to integrity questions raised against him. 2 weeks ago, the Judicial Service Commission found what it termed as strong evidence of misconduct in a case involving Migori Governor Okoth Obado. In the petition, Justice Ojwang is accused of misconduct, impropriety, conflict of interest, and breach of judicial code of conduct.
This was a frivolous case, and I dismissed it. That is the position. Let's go.
Known for his short temper and lack of tolerance, especially on issues he deems trivial, this will be the second time Justice Ojwang is publicly questioned after his lawyer Nani Mungai indicated they plan to have the whole hearing in public. His true character when faced with adversity was revealed during his confirmation hearing.
It was to be raised through a letter. That is the letter.
And in that letter, Judge, I'm saying you are giving notice to the JSC that unless you do this, this is what we will do.
Okay, do you want it to be a notice to Parliament? It is going to the right person. So the right person should just respond.
The tribunal will be chaired by Court of Appeal Judge Alnashir Vishram. The members of the tribunal include Justice Retired Festus Anzagalala, Lawyer Ambrose Weda, Andrew Bahati Mwamunye, Lucy Kambuni, Sylvia Wanjiku Mushiri, and Amina Abdallah. During this period, Justice Ojwang will be entitled to half his pay until such a time that he is either removed or reinstated. If aggrieved by the outcome, the judge has liberty to appeal against the decision at the Supreme Court within 10 days after the tribunal makes recommendations. The president's actions should be informed by the recommendations made by the tribunal. With Justice Ojwang suspended, the Supreme Court now only has 6 judges left on the bench. There are fears that the Supreme Court could suffer a quorum hitch if the Judicial Service Commission recommends a tribunal to probe Lady Justice Njoki Ndongo. Further, if the Deputy Chief Justice goes to trial, she may be forced to step aside as she is a state officer. Ken Mijungu, NTV.